We start tonight with more on the governor's visit to Corpus Christi today to look at storm damage, and here's our Seth Kovar with more on that.
Governor Abbott began today's news conference on a high note.
The good news is the fact that through this hurricane, there were no lives lost in either Nueces County or Kleberg County, which is always the top priority.
Local leaders have their priorities when it comes to hurricane recovery, and they passed them along to the governor just before noon today. A big one, repairing piers in both Kleberg and Nueces counties, including a landmark.
If Padre Island was a body, then its heart was Bob Hall Pier.
Governor Abbott talked about a number of things here in the Anchor Ballroom at Texas A&M Corpus Christi, but chief among them was state aid for Hurricane Hannah recovery. Local leaders were happy with what they heard.
Repairing Bob Hall Pier and other recovery projects are eligible for government funding. Governor Abbott urged local leaders to quickly send hurricane damage assessments to the regional administrator for FEMA.
He is the person with the checkbook who's going to be able to assist financially with a lot of the damage that have taken place.
It's tough to quantify, but damage to homes likely has some people living elsewhere. Shelters are empty, but Governor Abbott says anyone living with extended family should wear masks around those people to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The government's support is appreciated, not just following the hurricane, but throughout the pandemic.
There have been constants, and the constant is the safe harbor that the state of Texas has given to me.
And as we recover from Hannah, we need to constantly be alert about that other invisible disaster.
Just because a hurricane has swept through here does not mean that it has swept out COVID-19.
Reporting in Corpus Christi, Seth Kovar, Chris 6 News.